Okay, people, I'm back. So here's the mushroom and onion. It's kind of cooked down a little bit, and I'm gonna just add in, like I said, add in the spinach. This one that I'm cooking now is actually gonna be for Harmony and Joshua, my youngest kid, and they're only gonna eat about half a quesadilla because they're pretty good size. So, and plus we're gonna have some rice and some refried beans with it too. So they don't need a lot. So this is a rather small one. I would maybe put a little bit more for an adult. And I'm sorry if this is going all over the place. It's kind of difficult to look and hold this and cook once again. But anyway, no such thing as a good excuse, right? That's my motto. You can quote me on that. Anyway, you see the spinach cooks down really quickly, and it's ready to go. Now what I'm going to do now is take this out. I think this is good. Looks good to me. Ooh, mushrooms and onions. I'm going to take this out for a second and temporarily, now this is about to be a real challenge right here, because I'm going to try to not stop this video while I take this out and put it in the plate that I have here waiting. I'm just going to kind of sit this, challenging, going to kind of sit this to the side in my plate. Alright, ta-da. Alright, so quickly, you see there's still some oil in the pan, right? So I'm going to put my quesadilla in the pan just like that. Ta-da. Alright, so I'm just going to let it brown a little bit on that side. I don't know, I counted 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, alright, I'm impatient, so I just want to kind of warm it on that side anyway, like for right now. Because I'm going to put my cheese and my veggies back in, and then we'll brown it a little bit more on each side. So I just want to kind of warm it on that side. Next, I'm going to put 1 piece of the marbled Monterey, and I forgot what the other kind is that's in there. And then I'm going to, it's really simple, guys, put my spinach, and see I'm doing this with one hand, so you know it's got to be pretty simple. You can do this. If I can do it with one hand, you can do it. I'm just dumping my stuff in on top of that, and you can kind of see that I'm making an attempt at least to put this all on one side of the quesadilla. And then after that, I'm going to add the good cheese here, the Mexican soft cheeses. Here we go, here we go. I'm telling you, this is going to be good, people. Alright, so then I take and fold my quesadilla over. You know, it really doesn't take a lot of filling to fill it up here. And I'm not adding any additional oil. This is just same oil that I cooked the onions in, and the mushrooms in. It's the same oil. So, alright, so all I'm gonna do is just kind of flatten that with my spatula to brown it and to melt the cheese. Yep. Then I just go in. If I can do this with one hand, you can do this, and it is delicious. I'm trying to tell you right now. Flip it over. Look how nice and brown that is. Alright. So then you flip it over and brown it on that side. And that's all there is to it, really. So once I get it as brown as I want it, then I just take it off and put it in the plate and make the next one. Like I said, I make everybody's individually. Some people don't like, some people just want spinach and cheese, which I can't understand why. Because the onions give it such good flavor. The mushrooms are really meaty like, so they're just hearty and delicious. But anyway, so each his own. And this is pretty much all I do. Flip it over. I might flip it like once or twice, and I'm done. So I'll be back with you. I'm going to add some sides to it, some Mexican rice and refried beans and cheese, and I'll come back, maybe a little salsa. I'll come back with the finished product in a few minutes. Thanks for watching.